Hi, hello, vanakkam, and welcome back to yet another episode on your favorite Little Slaw YouTube channel. So today in this video, we're going to see about how to set up the remote repository for GitHub. So in fact, recently when I was uploading my performance engineering examples to the GitHub, so I'm actually planning for a performance engineering sessions, training sessions, which is coming in next few days. So for that, I'm actually preparing some coding examples to give demo to the subscribers, and for that, I'm working on. So when I was trying to upload this to my GitHub repo, what happened is uh, I was not able to upload my local project to the GitHub remote repository. So I will show you how to fix this issue. So basically, I'm going to set up the remote repository. I'm going to upload my local code to the GitHub. Okay, so if you are facing issues like in terms of updating the remote repository, please do follow this video. You'll be able to set up your remote repository for GitHub. And before we move on to this video, this is me, Asan Shanmugam. I welcome you all to our Little Star YouTube channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And please do join my channel for regular videos like this and get discounts for the training sessions. And don't forget to give a thumbs up, a like, and share the video with your friends. So firstly, I have my GitHub repo. So what happened is I was like trying to upload my GitHub project, but then it's throwing some error. So I did use git remote minus v to find what is set as the origin or what is set as the remote repository. And if you see here, I could see performance engineering.git, but that's actually not my remote repository. So my remote repository is performance minus engineering or performance hyphen engineering. So I'm going to set that as my um, remote now. So for setting up, for setting it, setting the correct Git repo as your origin. So you have to use Git remote my space Git space remote space add minus space origin, and then I'm going to give my um, a Git repo. So this is my Git repo, which I've told you earlier, which is performance minus engineering.git. So remote origin already exists. So now let me try the git remote v again. Git remote minus v. So this again is showing some error. So what we'll do is let me remove my origin repositories. Right. So I'm going to do git remote remove origin. So this actually will remove my remote origin. So now when I do git remote minus v, you can see I don't have any uh, or remote origin or remote files GitHub locations for me. So now I will do the addition. Okay, so now I have added the addition using git remote add origin. And when I do the git remote minus v again, now you can see I have got my correct repository where I wanted to upload my files. And it is both fetch and push. So now I'm going to push my file and let's see what happens. So git push minus u origin master. So our master is my branch here. So yeah, I'm successfully able to push my branch, push my local to my GitHub repo. So let's go to the repo and oh, sorry, I just closed it. So let me open my GitHub repo, github.com and performance minus engineering. Yep, here I have it. And yeah, the master has come to the uh, GitHub. So yeah, the file is successfully uploaded here. And let me, yep, so everything is good. Looks fine. All the files are uploaded here. So let me create a pull request. So now when I'm just trying to merge my master domain, because I just only want to have my main as my the final branch, but still it shows main and master entirely different commit histories, so I won't be able to commit it. So to fix this, what I'm going to do is let me go back to the Visual Studio Code and I do git fetch origin. So this will fetch the origin, and then let me do git check out main. So now I have switched to my main. So let me just check the branch. So I have my main branch and master branch. So I'm in the master main branch now. So what did I do is I just do git fetch origin, and then I checked out to my main branch. And then the next step is I'm going to check out minus b main origin slash main. So since the main branch does not exist locally, so I can create, but now it's already there, so I'm not able to create a main branch again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a git merge master. So this shows, yep, that's an expected one. So it shows it is refusing to merge unrelated histories. So what I'll do is let me do git. So since it is showing it is refusing to merge unrelated histories, what I'm going to do is let me git check out main. So I'm on the main branch, and then I'm going to merge the master. So git merge master allow unrelated histories, because as it's told it's refusing to merge unrelated histories. I'm going to do allow unrelated histories. So yeah, this one has merged the changes, and now the next step is I'm going to add all the files. So yep, that happened, and then git commit minus m merged the files, and yeah, that has merged. Yep, that's done. And now I'm going to push the file to the origin. So git push origin main, and this has pushed the files to the main branch. So now when I go to the code here, yep, and now in the main branch I'm able to see all the files whatever I have created, the loop optimization and the algorithm optimization. So all these files, yep. And going forward, yeah, we are going to have a performance engineering session very soon for those who are interested to move from performance testing to performance engineering. That's going to be a big leap for you if you are a performance tester. So yep, and with that I come to an end. And so what did we see here is we actually saw two things. One is setting up the remote repository, and the second thing is when the main and the other branch are entirely different commit histories, so you can use these methods to merge them. So with that I come to an end, and I definitely believe this video will be very useful to you. So until I meet you in our next session, it's bye bye from Vasan Chandmugam and your favorite Little Star YouTube channel. Take care and bye bye.